Aloha! Are you ready for the biggest fun fair ever? We're bringing Big Island fun to the Mato Luau at Wildwood Elementary on Friday, May 18th. You'll enjoy a variety of inflatables, including a giant pineapple bouncer, the Buccaneer pirate ship, our volcanic obstacle course, and the Surf's Up with the giant slide. Think climbing to the top of a climbing wall would pique your interest? How about spinning your friends in a giant berry? You'll flip when you see the bungee trampolines and catch major hang time on the mechanical surfboard. Not enough fun? Bring your swimsuit and towel. This is huge! Weather permitting, we'll have the Hippo, the largest inflatable water slide in the world.